Hi, I'm Jessie with Simply Refreshing Life. Before we start, please, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I've been posting. And today I want to talk to you about my latest blog that I did. I'm a research person and I started to researching about cooking oils. I really never thought about it until I started asking myself, why are there so many cooking oils in the aisle of the store? I mean, you find your um, olive oil and avocado oil, coconut oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, all kinds of oils. And some of them look really fancy and they're really expensive. And some others are like really cheap, but which one is better? Which one is good to choose from? So I went on and I did some research about it. And I'm sharing this in my blog. The link of it is right here on this video and the description of it. So you can go check it out. Something that I remember when I was a kid, my great grandmother used to cook with lard, and she used to say that oils gave her food a really bad taste. And she lived well into her 90s, and so I began to find out, is lard really bad for you or is it good for you? And you won't believe what I found. So I'm going to ask you to check it out and tell me your thoughts. Tell me which oil you cook. Another thing that I found out is the food we buy, the prepackaged food that we buy. Are we looking at those labels? What kind of oil are they using? Because sometimes if we look at the front of the package, it will say something like rich in vitamin E or great source of calcium, but then we turn it over and we're like, oh my God, all these ingredients, and some of them might be bad oils. So I'm going to ask you to, if you're interested in this, go and check my blog and tell me what you think. I hope you like it. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.